I began working in the print studio back in 2016. That was after a 2-day workshop. I'm a painter. I wanted to explore other processes and expand my expression. So I was actually encouraged by June Carey, who's a fantastic printmaker and been a member for many years, to come along. I remember feeling it's a great place, I hope I do well here. As a painter, it's quite a solitary practice. It's really energising to come into a space where there's lots of different energy and other people at various stages of expressing whatever it is they're doing. Part of doing this is to stretch yourself and take you out of that sort of comfort space. You're learning things about the process, but you're also learning things about yourself. The marks that you intend to make don't always work out. Because of the process of etching, I enjoy the fact that I'm not as in control as I would have been with the painting in the studio. The title is The Insomniac's Nightmare. It refers to a personal experience. Being the youngest of 3 children, I often was packed off to bed before the other 2. I used to have rambling thoughts that I would never really have had during the day. The thoughts could go down a route of fairly dark themes. The way that I have worked on this image is to try in a figurative way to express that idea of where thoughts can take you. That's my nightmare of going up to bed, alone, isolated, feeling that in the darkness there were things that were going to visit me that had already visited me in previous nights. I've tried to exercise it, I suppose, a wee bit by the artwork.